Namaste. Another one more attempt to do a look around series what we are following. Today I am going to use this unusual brand. If you can see, it has got such a lovely opening up here, and it's a dry without any leaves. And I am going to use this Shoinka vases, but I'm not going to do a Shoinka arrangement. I'm doing a free expression in it. This is a very pretty vase of Ohara school, which has got two ears on the side, so which we always try to place it on the side. And it has got the stand also. This is one of my favorite vase given to me by my teacher, Mrs. Pitawala. So whenever I am using this, I always remember her. Now look around series we are following, where we just try to pick up something from the road. That's what, like, look around and pick up your material, what you can find it. Now this brand, I was parking my car and that I saw this brand. I found it very interesting of its shape, so I just brought it up and I said, let me try and work it and show you something different. Now, as you know, in the Heka arrangement or the tall arrangement, we give an extra support to put the material into it. So I have already given a support with the rubber band, which will hold my line. And I don't want to cut this part separate. I find it really interesting, and I think it's a branch of a jamun tree. As I said, I picked up from the road, so I don't know which tree branch it is. But there, where I park my car, there is a big jamun tree, so I presume that this must be a jamun tree branch. With that, I had a heliconia at home, so I am going to use heliconias and a bunch of Cephalera, which is again growing in my garden, in my building compound, and 2 leaves of Now I want to show the beauty of this line, so I am going to put this as a group down, all three together to emphasize the strength of that material, because putting one will, to me, I feel that it will lose the importance, and always put the water first. Let this line be steady, and I'm going to put here my 3 heliconias. I will make a bunch of with the rubber band. You can use rubber band or cellophane tape, but cellophane tape goes in the water and it just comes out. So I prefer putting rubber bands. Last 2 days it's raining very heavily in Bombay, so this branch must have come down with the rain. think it will look like one flower. Today I have nothing with me. Look around is like before also I mentioned to my students that look around, anything you can use it. You have to have eye to look and pick up the stuff. And especially in the rainy season, I will follow this curve. Put inside, I will use the rubber band and the stem of my California flower. The patients to work with this kind of material when you want certain I think this is going to be a little too much. And they are small, so I made it into a group and I will insert it at the mouth of my box. So it's my freeze expression in showing vase, showing the beauty of this line. I found it very interesting with the opening on the top and in the middle, and heliconias made it into a bunch, and some Saphira leaves. Give a little movement. I have used this two ribbon grass to make a little tall movement. I wanted to use this line I don't know how it is looking from front. As it has got a lovely curve going behind, so it can give me a back balance by putting it in. Okay, we will not put this. So this is my arrangement. A look around series. Hope my students are following me and trying to work something out here. So dry material, the California and Saplera. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.